Hi guys, it's your girl Queen, aka Queen Wink. I'm back in the building. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you can. So today I will be attempting to do a mega wispy lash look using individual lashes. I'm going to be using this 3D trio, this 20D extensions, the ultra black 3D knot freeze in long as well as in medium. So as you guys know, I tried to do the eyelash extensions, etc., but the isolation drives me nuts. So I have switched back to what I am used to and known for, which is individual lashes. And it's quicker, it lasts 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes almost 4 weeks, and you don't have to worry about getting a fill. But anyway, I want to do these lashes to show you that you can also achieve the looks of eyelash extensions with individual eyelashes, just different types, and you just, it's just how you place them. So this will be my first time attempting to do a mega lash look, mega wispy. And I think at the end you guys will see that I kind of achieved it. So here I'm supposed to be doing trio 20D, trio 20D, but I didn't. I did trio 20D, probably trio 20D, because we were in the middle of this tea pouring conversation. So it kind of threw me off, but I was still able to lay them good enough for me to still get the look that I was going for at the end. So it's the 3D. So right now I'm just focusing on the 3D trio and the 20D individual eyelashes. This lash look and this lash feel is from I Envy, and I like it. I've been searching like Ardell and stuff like that, but they don't really have this same feel and this same. So here I already started adding to one eye. I've added the individual long 3D individual lashes to one eye, and then now I'm working on the other eye. So as I'm adding the long 3D lashes, individual lashes, it is what is going to give you the wispy mega look. So I'm adding the longs. In between I'm going in with a little bit of the mediums. So I'm just doing long, medium, no particular order or anything like that. I'm just adding because the goal is to have like that real full mega look, and that's where I was going with it. But you guys take a look. I'm gonna be quiet. Take a look and watch and see if you like it. So I'm back. Of course, you guys see that wispy look is coming together. I'm done. And of course, you know I love a good nano, a good bond. So, you know, I have to use the spoolie to comb the bonding in so that, you know, it'll blend into the lash. It's not sitting on top with little bits of water that you can see. But I also decided to take a little scissor, as you will see in a second, and just trim a little bit of the top because I felt like it was touching her eyelid a little too much. But the mega look is definitely here. Tell me what you guys think. And remember, this look was created with individual eyelashes. Take a look at the Mega Lash look. Yep, that's it. How full, how mega. And it was done with individual eyelashes. Here's a pic of her when she's done up. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, save, share, etc. Catch you on the rebound.